All right, this should feel familiar. So this we styled a row, and now we want to make it repeat based on some data coming from the server. So how do we do that? Let's turn this into a repeater, and let's call this row repeater. And this is going to be creating a repeater component, and you can see over here that its only child right now is the row, so it's going to be repeating that based on this function. Let's look at what it returns. It returns one length array, so if we actually add additional ones, it will return them. So let's just, I'm going to copy and paste this expression over here just for the sake of this demo. And you can see what it does is, you can assume that this is coming from the server somehow, like it's emulating the data. So it's basically 10 record array, and then we're basically saying record 1, record 2, etc. Right? So it's a very simple data that we got, and now we're feeding that into the repeater. And so if you look at it, nothing has changed because we're not using that data right now in the individual rows. So what we can do here is we're going to be converting that to a JS text. Let's call that row name or something. And so that created a JavaScript text over here. You can see this is a new element. We're going to be viewing the function. And so in order to be able to show something here, right now it's returning constant. In order to be able to show something here, we need to pull the data about the loop. So basically the individual row data of this should be coming to us somehow, right, in this function. So we're going to be getting that from the context. So how that happens is, let's go back to our repeater. So this is our repeater. And we have here loop record. So we're going to say it's row. So what that means is it's going to be accessible as this.context.row. And so if we actually go over here in this JavaScript text, so let's do something like this: name this.context.row.name. So the name is going to be coming from here, as you can see. And as soon as I save it, it started coming from there, like we're generating. So now, and you can actually apply this to the button in the same way. So let's click on this. We're going to be saying a click function. And let's get into that. And maybe let's take the row name and show it with alert. And if you now click on this, it shows it properly. All right. Thank you very much for watching.